They know that frequent orgasms for them means better sex for you. In the end, they know that apparently that makes it more satisfying for guys if they know that they're giving the women orgasms, right? Doesn't that get you all pumped up? Hey, if you know you're getting the job done. I hope.
Maybe.
Oh, you don't want to answer. I know when if I get the job done that it makes me feel better.
Well, that's natural. That's every I mean,
score.
Yeah,
right?
That's natural. I mean, isn't that what everybody wants?
Yeah, exactly. Well, yeah, they want to satisfy. I hope.
Happy ending.
I hope they want to satisfy the other person. A lot of people don't care, which is kind of sad. But I think as you get older, you do, because then you actually care if you're doing a good job or not.
Right.
I think so, and satisfying your partner. Because if you're not, then they're gonna go find it somewhere else.
Yep.
And I think older people know that also.
Yep.
I always say a BJ a day keeps the whores away. Remember that, girls. All right, now, just a bit of advice. Hit it rhymes. It's easy to remember. BJ a day keeps the whores away. All right, so here's another one. So the older women, okay, they say that they're going to be better in bed. Obviously, they have more experience. They have higher. Oh, and then here again with the higher test means more assertive and demanding. They say they're going to be more assertive and demanding. And they're not going to play around. They're not going to mess around. They'll be like, hey, and they're going to tell you if you didn't get the job done. They're not going to be ones that are faking it because they want you to get the job done. So the younger girl's going to be faking it. Just want you to get it over with. You just do that so you get it over with.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. I'm telling you right now. Yes. That's why women fake it. Because they just want it to be over with. Sorry to tell ya, guys. Because they know that if a guy cares and he's trying to make sure that his woman is satisfied before he is, then they know that that's how they're going to get it over with. If their guy thinks that if they got their job done, then they can know they can go ahead and have their fun and get it over with. So, most women do. They fake it to end sex with that person. Get it over with. It's done as a favor most of the time with younger women, I think, and women that have been crappy marriages. Sorry to say it. And guys, too. I think guys get to that point, too, where they're just doing it to get it over with. I've had men tell me that. That's sad. That's really sad right there. Okay, number 6. If she gives good lip. That's what it says. It says if she gives good lip. It says, in other words, that she's a good kisser. They say that the better the kisser, the better that they're going to be in bed. They say that if she uses her whole body, presses her whole body because she uses her hands, moans, plays with your hair. They say even if she gets into playing with your mouth with her mouth, playing with lips and biting lips and stuff like that, that she is going to be a better lover, which I think sounds about right? I think that if you're a crappy kisser, you're probably not going to be very good in bed, because that's one of the most intimate things you can do. That's why prostitutes don't kiss their clients, because they think that's intimate. It is, really is. Now, although putting their mouth somewhere else on them isn't, but putting their mouth on their mouth apparently is intimate. Because I guess that's just kissing is something that you do with somebody that you care about, somebody that you have feelings for. Right?
Something like that.
So, girls, if you guys having sex with you and he's not kissing you a lot, that probably means that that's all he's in it for, is for the end result. I really do believe that. I do. Because I think that you really have to like somebody. You really do. You have to actually like them to want to kiss them. Sex? Not always. You don't have to really like them as a person to have sex with them. Apparently. Take some money. For some people, just take some money and they'll have sex with you. Or anybody.
That's when it's called a booty call.
But, no, I'm talking about when they're getting paid for it.
Oh. I got you.
They won't, you can't pay them to kiss you. I don't think they'll do it. I really don't. I don't think that a sex worker, let's just call them a sex worker, because there's all types. Escorts, prostitutes, there's legal prostitution, all that, okay? Over there, the brothels in Las Vegas. I don't think sex workers, I don't think they do that over there in the brothels where it's legal. I don't think they kiss their clientele. I really don't.
I think it's up to them, though.
Well, I'm sure it is, but I think that that's why. Because I really think that it is an intimate thing. And you have to kind of like a person to want to suck face with them. Let's just call it that.
Right.
To want to make out. But that can be one of the most, I think, arousing things that there is. It's a good make-out session. Yep. Shoot. That's a turn on now. If you're a good kisser, in my book, anyways, you got to be a good kisser. Because I really do think those two things go hand in hand. Okay. Here is the last one, number 7. And I think this goes along with guys too, not just women. If they are a good dancer. They say if they can move their booty, if they can cut a rug, they're going to be able to tear it up in the sheets. Just think about that. I think that's true. Because I think that you have to have, you could have good control over your hips. You have to use your hips. You have to have rhythm. So you can't be sloppy and clumsy. So I really do think that dancing does show. I think it could be a preview for what you're going to see later in the bedroom. So when you're going out to the clubs. Oh, Ashley says she can dance. Ask you. Can she dance? Can that girl shake it? Can you shake it, Ashley?
When she's got a pitcher of beer in one hand and a pitcher of Jack Daniels in the other, yeah.
Oh, he called you out. He said you're really a good dancer when you're drunk. I'm gonna guess that
she'll agree with you too.
I'm gonna guess he's not a good dancer.
I haven't danced in years.
Ashley, let us know. Is he a good dancer? Yeah. Oh, she isn't. Okay, what's Kyle saying? This country boy can cut a rug. All right.
Exactly. She says, I've never seen her sober. That's really true. If you think about it.
You've never seen her sober?
That's what I say. She used to come to the club that I DJ'd at for almost 2 years.
But she says she dated you.
She didn't. She was, read back and she was screwing with you. She never dated me.
She says that he's alright when he wants to be alright. You're just alright when you want to be. Does it take him a few drinks too?
No, she ain't never seen me drink either.
And when did you DJ'd for country?
Mm-hmm.
Country, what country club?
Yep.
Here?
Yep.
In Orlando?
Yep.
Are you talking about the one that's still here in town?
No, this one here was a place called McGillicuddy's in Polk County. It used to be the old Alligator Alley.
Polk County.
Yep.
Polk County. Yeah, I like going over there to the drive-in, Silver Moon Drive-In. That's fun. That's a good time. Because you know why? You do whatever the hell you want in your car. That's why. It's a good time. What's Debbie saying? Hey, Debbie. That's my roommate. You don't need to mess with her.
I'm not
okay.
Say no.
So anyways, number 7. If she's a good dancer, I say if he's a good dancer, I think that's a good sign that they know what they're doing in the bedroom. Because that means they got rhythm. They can move the hips. They can shake it. Get all sexy with it. Now, I don't know about line dancing. That's not that sexy. So if you're talking about that, Kyle, with your country boy cutting a rug, I don't know about line dancing. That don't take much.
Oh, I want to see you do it.
What, line dancing? I've line danced plenty. I lived in Tennessee.
No. I'm not talking about the way you're talking about. I'm talking about the way Kyle's talking about.
What? How do you know what Kyle's talking about?
I know what Kyle's talking about because he's a country boy.
Oh.
I know what line dancing he's talking about.
Line dancing. Okay, line dancing really doesn't take any skill. That's like the Cupid Shuffle and the electric slide.
No.
Those are line dances.
No.
Oh,
Those are one of many.
I've done the country line dancing in a big-ass bar called Cotton Eye Joe's.
Kyle, call her out.
In Knoxville, Tennessee.
Call her out,
and
Kyle.
I know how to do some line dance. I don't even try it. I know how to do the watermelon crawl.
Kyle. Call her
I know
out.
how to do a lot of them.
Call her out, Kyle.
I know how to do a lot of them. Don't even let them talk no shit. If anybody can dance, I think you all know I can. Okay? Yeah. You see my videos. I teach Tahitian dancing, which takes a lot of skill, because that's not twerking. That's far from freaking twerking. I could twerk. That doesn't take any skill. You just gotta have some ass. That's it. So, got some ass, you can twerk. That's it. I do Tahitian dancing, which is competition. Actually, I did competition. I was with a troupe in Hawaii. And we were going to go over to Hawaii, or to Tahiti to the Fete.
It's all right. So. Kyle's got my back. He knows what we're talking about. He knows what me and him
Kyle, you know what, Kyle?
Kyle.
He says he can do the Dougie.
Kyle, that's...
The Dougie.
You can't do the Dougie.
The Dougie? That's not country line dance.
Yeah, it is.
The Dougie?
Yes.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
What country singer sings the Dougie?
Well, it depends on what version you ask.
I only know one version.
Well,
okay, and so you're talking about the version that got ripped off and they turned into a line dance?
Kyle, what you should do is call into the show and let's talk about it.
No, Kyle, don't. Because, you go ahead. Because the Dougie was not a line dance. Sorry.
Yes, it was, and the Pop and Lock was too. Trust me, they're all.
Oh my Lord, this man has lost his freaking mind.
I should know because I played the music for
it. Oh my gosh. Holy hell. I'm glad
Ashley, go ahead and call in,
Ashley. 4 more minutes of this. Because I'm about to lose my shit.
Call in, Ashley.
Seriously, I'm going to need a drink. I'm going to need a drink after this.
Alright, anyways, finish your list.
Okay, that list is done. That's it, dancing.
The list is done? Okay.
And yeah.
All right,
4 minutes.
What are we going to talk about next week?
I got all kinds of stuff we're going to talk about next week, and I'll tell you about that later on. I'll tell you about that in a couple days, because I got to do some more research on it. Don't you worry about it.
Okay.
It'll get, and I'll let everybody on there know what we're talking about next week. Something to aggravate you.
Ashley's calling on my phone. Wrong number, Ashley.
Something to aggravate him. Again.
Ashley, you're supposed to call on the other phone.
Ashley, we got 3 minutes. Unless she wants to call up and blast you for the next 3 minutes. No, hey, you know what? It's 407-255-3026. Give us a call, Ashley.
Did you hear that, Ashley? 407-255...
3026.
3026. Call that number.
255-3026. 407-255. You guys remember that for next week.
407-255-3026, right?
Yeah. 255-3026.
Call that number right now, Ashley.
Got 3 minutes to tear him a new booty.
She ain't gonna tear me up.
She ain't gonna tear me up either. She knows I'm sitting here putting up with your crap. Yeah. Is she calling? Yeah. Answer it. He don't know how to work the phone either. See? Technical difficulties. He doesn't know how to answer the phone, Ashley. You can't rag on him now. Sorry, girl. I was going to enjoy that. Seriously. Oh, he's making all kinds of noise in the thing now.
Okay. Try it again, Ashley. Here, I'll call you. Let me see if I can do it this way.
You know how to open it?
Oh,
no, he didn't know how to open it.
How do you open it? Just swipe it?
Yeah, swipe it, and then you got to put in the password.
Oh, put in the password.
Oh, good Lord. Hang on, guys. I got to help him out here, because
It's your phone, not mine.
All right, it's open. Ashley, beware.
Ashley, call the number again.
She said to call her after. Because we about to be off in 2 minutes.
Okay. All right. Well, then she don't want to talk. Okay.
He said he gonna call you after.
That's fine.
Okay. Look at we're getting hookups right here on Facebook Live. Hey, my roommate Deb's blowing somebody kisses. Get it, girl. She likes the younger ones. She does. I myself don't. I prefer men my age, even a couple years older. But, hey, girl, you get it. You do your thing. She's having fun.
I'm sure she is. All right, so next Wednesday she'll have another topic to talk about. It's
going to be sex-related and relationships.
Yep, sex-related. From 9 to 11. Tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 Central here on Florida Country Radio, we will have the results of the Top 20 Countdown. So if you want to check out that, you can come and listen to it on Spreaker, which is the same thing. If you logged into Spreaker, you can come in and hang out in the chat room with us. We'll have a link up on Florida Country Radio's page, but you can find us at FL Country Radio on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can also find us on our website, WBCWradio.com, for the WBCW networks. Other than that, I ain't got nothing else. You got something?
Nope, that's it, guys. Until next week. Hope you had fun. And if you have any questions that you wanted me to do on next week's show, because we didn't get around to it, send them to me.
Alrighty, until next week, we will see you here on the Sweet Spot. Join us tomorrow night here on Florida Country Radio for the Top 20 Countdown. I'm Big Country host with Dee Dee. We will see you next time. Take care.
Okay, now I gotta log out all this crap. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging. Look at me. Look at this. I look all crazy now because it drove me nuts.